You're so dirty.
My back hurts. Wow.
How cool is that?
I'm cold. What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be working on the plumbing, and today is going to be an interesting day because we are in a hardware store parking lot, and we're going to be doing it here because as I'm building, I can be going in and out of the store if I am forgetting something. No more, oh, I forgot something, I have to go back. This will make it easier, so. You can probably tell which store we're at just by the parking lot. I need to write down all the different sections of plumbing and the fittings that I'll need for each one. It's the exciting part. So I've just been sitting here for like 30 minutes trying to map out the whole plumbing system and all the fittings I'm gonna need. But this is what we've got so far. Just like a rough drawing of the fresh water area, the hot water heater, the P tank, and the gray water. We're about to go in. Oh. We're getting close. Okay, and we're back. I've got all my fittings. I'm just testing to make sure they work. They all fit what they're supposed to fit, which so far so good. Round 2 of going back in my I think I've officially gotten everything that we need. I think we can go. So long, Home Depot! And we're home. Okay, so we're back home. I'm gonna call it a day. Next time I see you, I'll be putting all this together. So, welcome. Like I said, we're gonna be putting together all the plumbing, but it's cold this morning, so we're gonna be struggling a little bit. But I think we're gonna start in the freshwater area, which is outside, unfortunately. Let's go. Okay, so this is my freshwater system. Water comes in through this, basically a gravity fill. So water goes in through one of these bigger holes, so the water will come out. And it'll first go into these strainer things. It's basically catching any large sediment that I don't want to go into the pump. And then from there, it goes to the pump. So this is just a 12-volt pump. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about it. It's got good reviews. And then that goes into this accumulator, which I'm not like 100% sure what this does. Basically, my understanding is it regulates the pressure, and then it'll go inside, and that's where the hot water begins. So we'll try to keep it simple right here, and you can just watch me do it. So I think the biggest part of plumbing is making sure your connections are tight. If you're using threaded fittings, you definitely need Teflon tape. Most of you probably may know, but if you don't know, when you're doing Teflon tape, you always want to go in the direction that you are tightening, so that when you tighten on the fitting, it's not going to bunch it up and tighten it on itself. Wrap it around a few times. I know it looks like a sunny day, but I mean it is a sunny day. But my goodness, I think it's 35. So it's just above freezing for all you Canadians. I'm cold! This is my contraption. First, go out of this filter, and then into this filter, to this pump, to this accumulator, out. We got pipe coming through. There's a little rubber gasket that I fit on there.
Okay, we're gonna test if this fits with all of this right here.
Hopefully it does.
Because if it doesn't, it's not good. Oh yeah, I think it will. You have a couple inches.
The only thing is it's not really serviceable.
Well, hopefully it won't have to be serviceable.
Hot water shut off, cold water shut off. This is where I'll hook up the shower head, the outside, and it can also be used as a drain for the hot water heater. So, looking good. Okay, that's enough challenges for one day. So I'll just see y'all tomorrow.
Welcome to another day. Brian's wet. He just played with the hose a little bit. Micah just finished the freshwater tank, and now we're gonna test the water. So yesterday he did this hole to put the water in.
No, it doesn't look great.
Yeah, it doesn't look great. There's tons of like marks around it, but oh well.
What are you gonna do?
One day we'll paint it. Here it goes. No leak. Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, we put water to there, and now we're gonna test out the water pump. We're gonna put it in the bucket because we haven't like hooked up the drainage. And there's a wasp in here. Okay.
The fuse popped.
Oh, the fuse popped. I think it's a normal sound.
I hear water. Oh, we got one little leak.
Really?
Yeah. We've got one little leak here.
Oh, it's kind of big.
So we'll fix that. But all this looks dry. Everything else looks solid.
Whoa! We can take a shower right here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So we'll fix that leak in a second, but we wanted to test the water first.
Whoa!
Ta-da!
Pretty good pressure.
Sweet.
I love it!
Great. Turn off the water. Turn off the pump. And then we'll fix the leak. Actually not that bad. Beautiful. What is that?
Okay, I bought these little racks to put like our spices and oils and stuff like that. Micah, how did you get the thing out the drill? Oh, okay. I got it.
Working with PVC is very easy. This stuff hardens very fast. So that's really the only thing that you need to know. Once you glue it, you gotta screw it. You can keep that one. Just came up with it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're so dirty.
My back hurts. Just hooking up the gray water tank.
So now he wants me to test the water, like drain it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Take that bucket out.
You got a leak?
Yeah. Just where the
Oh, yes.
the valve is. Okay, good morning. We've already made a run to the hardware store. Got what I needed, and we're about to take care of this leak as fast as we can. can. Because I'm done spending too much time on things not working, so we're gonna get this thing fixed. Don't make me go back down there.
One thing I didn't film is my automatic valve right there. I've got a switch for it up at the front.
Right now it's closed and it's not drawing any power. It also doesn't draw power when it's open. It only draws power when it's in the process of opening or closing. So, which is really nice because it won't drain my battery. So here's the switch over here. So I've actually got two of them, but this one is for the gray water. And it's just as simple as that.
And it starts to drain. Pretty cool, huh? Nice.
So where you're at right now, this is going to be the urine diverter tank. So this is it. We got a 10-gallon tank. This should last, I don't know, maybe a week. So we'll see.
I am convinced that we have the best composting toilet for van life. You cannot convince me otherwise. It's the best. We've been using a composting toilet for 3 years. This is the best.
You heard it. She said it. Ours basically works the same as a Nature's Head toilet. It's just so much cheaper and a little bit easier. But I will say the worst part of any composting toilet is dealing with the number ones. It's not fun. So to try to alleviate that, I am using the diverter to feed into that 10-gallon tank, and I have an automatic valve so I can open and close it from my driver's seat when we are in an appropriate area to discard of that. And it's gonna be great. Somewhere it does not look fit, but by golly, we're gonna make it fit.
Yeah. Okay. It's going in and I don't see a leak. You did it, Micah.
We did it, Steph.
Fine, you did it.
No.
You hear that, people? That is the sound of future urine being expelled. Perfect.
The toilet is pretty much done. It's all functional, and I think I kept it pretty neat. So check that out. This is the air vent that goes all the way down and out, and you can see down there, that is actually a one-way valve, so odors can't come up from the P tank. It's basically a P-trap without the P-ship, I guess. So yeah, it's all hooked up, ready to go. We're gonna move on to hooking up the gas, trying to get the water heater set up. So we're gonna be using 20-pound propane tanks, and this area is perfect size for a propane tank. I've got two lines coming, one from the hot water heater and the other from the stovetop. And then I've got this splitter that connects to one propane tank. Looking good.
It's time to test the hot water and I guess the stovetop.
That was pretty fast.
Is there a fire?
Yeah.
I feel hot water. Oh my gosh, I feel hot water.
It works.
It worked. I'm like kind of scared actually. Oh.
Hey!
Wow.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
How cool is that? Wait, did you guys notice something?
Nice hair, Steph. I mean,
it's burning hot. It's really hot. I cannot believe we have hot water.
what, you didn't think it was gonna work? She didn't have faith in
No,
me.
it's not that I didn't think it was gonna work. It's just that I feel like a lot of van lifers don't have hot water for whatever reason. Hey!
but we do.
Bart!
Let's get to work!
In all seriousness, we're just heading out to work, but we haven't filmed in a couple days, maybe.
Shame.
We've been really focused on getting the ambulance done, and we're so close. Like, we could potentially be done this week. That's why our focus has been on that and not filming. So I'm so sorry. Let me show you.
So first things first is the plumbing is done. We've got this little switch here to turn our pump on. It works.
We also installed our reverse osmosis right here. And then we also installed this little soap dispenser. Look what's new. This mirror deforms you.
It does a little bit.
Oh, we installed this.
Yeah. The lights work.
Micah finally put the knobs.
And here.
We did the dog bowl system. Basically, it just goes down when we're parked, and then we can take these out, or we can leave them, and then we can go on the road. But basically, I did that because I didn't want to be like kicking the dog bowl because we didn't have a designated place, and if we put it here, we go in and out, we could be kicking it. So, yeah.
This is our reverse osmosis water filter.
It's from AquaTrue. I'll also link it down below. And it remineralizes your water, and it's alkaline. So
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure that the water that we're getting from all over the country is potable and also not harmful. I think the next video is going to be the last video because we're about to do all the final touches and also like put the wood on here finally. That's what we're going to be doing. So see you there. Guys, it's the last video of our ambulance film! We sold the tiny house!
The tiny house.